Guys, Linda is immediately here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reduce the size of your wig. Let's say you've had this wig for a very long time and you notice that the So you've seen how I tucked in this side and this other side here. So right now I want to put this wig on my head and see how it wears, if it's now tight or if it's still a bit loose. If it's a bit loose, I'm gonna have to look for somewhere else to adjust, not just the circumference of the wig. And this is the wig. I have tightened it on two sides, and honestly it feels so much better on my head. It feels tighter. The grip is more firm, unlike how it was before. It's so much firm. So you can see how easily I was able to reduce the size of this wig. And honestly, I think it's perfect, like, because if I make it any tighter I might just start having headaches while wearing this wig. But if you feel like after you finished holding the two sides, that's to reduce the circumference of the wig to make it have a tighter grip on your head, it still needs more work. What you can then do is you can proceed to start sewing in some of these lines. Like you see these lines where the hair extend, the weave on, where the space between the two weave ones are, you can start sewing it in on this side. You can start sewing it in on this side to reduce the size of the cap. But right now, as the way this wig is right now, it's just perfect on my head. It doesn't need more work, so I'm good to go. It's a very easy step. It's something you can easily do from the comfort of your home. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you got value out of this video, please make sure you smash the like button, give the video a thumbs up, and please share with your friends who are also going to get value out of it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please support me by clicking on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. Follow me on social media. Linda is a middle ENL Beauty Hair. Bye guys.